Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm showing you what you can expect out of the 2021 Chevrolet Malibu LT. Now you'll notice this paint job here and the features. It's all black and black rims, and the Malibu there written in black. You also notice here on the trunk you got the LT Chevrolet logo in black, and Malibu also in black here. So you've got the RS trim on this, but it's an LT model, and you'll see why on the inside. No leather seats on the inside, just cloth. But I do love the way it looks on the outside. Very attractive looking car on the outside. Interior, just your standard Malibu. And I guess to start with, the interior Malibus wasn't groundbreaking in the first place, but yeah, this is a good looking car. I have reviewed the Malibu LTZ before, which that one was fully loaded with leather seats. But yeah, this one not a bad ride here. See, kind of got a weird, like, I don't know, meshy, I guess going for vinyl. That little cloth there, the accents, I believe that's what they're going for. But other than that, just a standard interior, nothing too special as far as the interior goes. You do have the Apple CarPlay, some USB outlets, and this one does have a sunroof as well. So you get mix and match features. Really, the only thing you're missing is leather seats, as far as really being fully loaded. But yeah, this is the Malibu LT with the RS trim. Thought I'd show you just a different version of this Malibu, so you'd know what to expect in case you saw it on a lot at a rental car facility. So appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you.